I wasted months trying to figure this out alone. Every video I watched made online business feel harder. More tools, more confusion, more things to learn. Honestly, I started thinking maybe I just wasn't smart enough for this. But the real problem wasn't me. The real problem was overwhelm. Everything changed when I stopped trying to learn everything and started using Canva and AI together. That's when digital product creation finally started making sense. Now, instead of staring at a blank screen, I can organize ideas faster, create content faster, and actually finish projects. And the crazy part? You do not need to be a tech expert to do this. Most beginners think AI is complicated, but honestly, the right workflow makes it feel simple. For example, you can use ChatGPT to brainstorm ideas, organize outlines, write ebook drafts, generate product ideas, create content plans. Then you can take those ideas into Canva and turn them into ebooks, planners, guides, templates, mini courses, lead magnets, social media content. That's the breakthrough most beginners miss. You do not need 20 tools, expensive software, complicated systems. You need one: clarity, structure, simple workflows. That's why so many beginners stay stuck. They keep consuming instead of simplifying. And honestly, AI helped my brain slow down enough to finally build something. If you've been overwhelmed trying to create digital products online, start simpler than you think, because momentum matters more than perfection. What part of digital product creation feels hardest to you right now?